Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Regine Tech Arcadia 3 MS4 Mid Tower case. So friend, Regine Tech has introduced the Arcadia 3 MS4 ATX Mid Tower case and is designed right to strike a balance between clearance for large graphics card and long water cooling radiators mounted along the front panel and taking advantage of the large mesh intake. In the case offers clearance for CPU coolers up to 165 in height, graphics card up to 36.5 cm in length and motherboards that are ATX, and the case features the conventional horizontally partition layout. Cooling option on the Regentech Arcadia 3 include two 140 or 120 three 140 or 120 front index and 120 rear exhaust and two 120 along the base of the motherboard compartment. Radiator side supported are up to 280 or 140 along with the top panel, up to 360 by 120 or 280 by 140 along the front, and up to 120 along the rear, and the bottom compartment holds room for PSU that's up to 22 cm in length and drive mounts that include up to two 3.5-inch drives and three 2.5-inch mounts cage and two behind the motherboard tray, and the case features magnetically reachable dust filter along the top and regular ones along the front and bottom. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.